understand that is very closely aligned to how Kwaai is constructed. And it's built around one premise, also aligned to the Kwaai methodology, which is you can't trust what these big vendors are saying. You can't trust what they're putting out, what their models are doing, what they're secure about, how they're handling your data, all of that. Even when they say they're secure, that is a marketing position. They have one objective, and that is to sell you something. That is to sell tokens. Even AWS and Microsoft, who are not the big model providers, they have one objective, which is to sell you compute power. So Hermia actually came about as a result of me trying to save tokens on Claude usage. And how can I do that with a local fleet of gear? Start testing and see what's going to work on the gear. And while we're at it, let's figure out what's going to work from a security perspective, because we know that models behave differently. So that's the history of Hermia. The name came about from a character in Midsummer Night's Dream. I'm an old theater major, so that appealed to me. One of the first people to notice that what she was doing was not reality, that it was in fact a dream. So this is a test that shows you which of your models, which sets of evaluations, which sets of gear and software are you running are really doing what you think they're doing. You have to test it in order to understand the entire infrastructure stack. Model cards are about the model, but that's not running on your hardware. There's plenty of information out there about what model works on which hardware, but that's about performance. It's not about security, and it's not about behavior. Hermia takes all of this and puts it together, and I think it's uniquely perfect for the Kwaai community.